Study Japanese with Pokemon's name. Number 4. Charmander. Hitokage in Japanese. He means fire. Tokage means lizards. So Hitokage means fire lizards. But maybe it has one more meaning. Do you know Salamander? It is fantasy creatures. Salamander, it is called Hitokage in Japanese. So maybe Charmander's Japanese name Hitokage means salamander. It is interesting. There is two meanings.